Is it recording now?
Baby's first bath.
Baby's first real bath without any kind of inflatable tub or infant tub. And in typical John fashion, he has stopped swimming like a fish.
No.
Come over this way. What's this? Come on, do your fish. You like that move, huh? Are you having fun? You can't stand up, bud. I mean, you probably could, but... No, John, not for John. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Swim. Splash. You go splash. All right, buddy. All done? Oh, yay. Yay. You getting a little drink? Got your noggin.
What in the world just happened?
Okay, is it done?
No.
Are you all done, bud? You ready?
John.
Oh my gosh, he's nuts. He's crazy. He's a Pisces. He's a water sign. Okay. So y'all done, Dad.
All done.
Mommy's gonna